Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a laptop keypad is not working. As we can see now it's working, and in case it's not working, so just you need to check this F7 key is turn on or turn off. If we will press it now, we will try to move cursor using keypad, so it's not working. So just you need to press this F7 key. So it's a method to turn on and turn off keypad on any laptop. Now we can turn on. So as we can see, it's working now. So hopefully guys you like this video, and by these simple steps we can know how to fix keypad is not working on laptop. Thanks for watching.